In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can hide your IP address on WhatsApp. Hiding your IP address on WhatsApp can enhance your privacy and security. It prevents others from potentially tracking your location and activities, adding a layer of anonymity to your online communication. To do this, simply head into your WhatsApp. On the Settings page, select the option of Privacy. On the Privacy page, navigate to the very end onto the option of Advanced. You will see this feature of Protect IP Address in Calls. Make sure to turn off this option. When disabled, no one will be able to track you through WhatsApp calls to see your current location. This also protects against potential cyber threats, such as hacking or targeted attacks. That's how easy it is to hide your IP address on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.